Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi key without going to the router's website. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. Before I head to the video, I want to talk about something, is that if you have been wondering where have I been in the last month that I haven't been uploading any videos, if you go to my channel, then in the community tab, and you read my last 2 posts, there you will see what happened with me and why I haven't been uploading any videos. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Let's head straight to the video. In this video we're going to use a software called Wireless KeyView, and of course I will have the link in description, and once you click the link in description it's going to take you to this website right here, nearsoft.net, and to head to the download links you need to scroll down close to the end and you need to find the download links, which will be these ones right here. You can download the software for either 32-bit systems or for 64-bit systems. Now these download links right here are for the default English version, but if you want to download the software in your own language, if you scroll down a little bit more, you will see, as it says here, Wireless KeyView is also available in other languages. So if you understand the software better in your mother language, then search for your language right here, if it is or not, and then download it like that. There is actually quite a lot of them, which is surprising. But in this video, of course, we're gonna download the plain English version. So click the one that says download Wireless KeyView for x64-bit systems, and once you click that, it's gonna start downloading, and the download is only 300 kilobytes, which is technically nothing. And once the software has been downloaded, head to the downloads folder, then drag it out in the desktop right here. After that, double click to open it, and here what you need to do, you need to double click on top of the software, and we need to extract those files because this folder, as it says, it's a zipped folder, so you need to click extract all. Here it will say that it will need a password, so what you need to do, you need to head back to the website and you need to copy the key that it says here, zip file password, copy the key, Ctrl+C to copy it, and then Ctrl+V to paste it right here, and then click OK. After that, extract the folder to where you want to. I have already done that, so I'm not going to do it. And after it has been extracted, put it in a simple folder, and before you open the software, for some reason Windows Defender thinks that this software is a virus, and if you try to open it, it will block it immediately. So what you need to do, you need to put this folder in the exclusions list, and to do that I'm going to do it really simply. Head to Windows Security if you have Windows Security as your main antivirus, or if you have a different antivirus as your main one, then head to your main one. Then what you need to do, you need to head to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to where it says Manage Settings in the Virus and Threat Protection settings. Then at the bottom, head to where it says Exclusions, and then click the one that says Add or Remove Exclusions. Click that, and if you have put the software in a folder, then click the one that says Add Exclusion, then click Folder, or if you have not put the software in a folder, then click File. But since I have put it in a folder, I will choose Folder, click Folder, then navigate to where your folder is, and mine is right here, Wireless KeyView. Select that, click Select Folder, click Yes again, and it will appear right here. Right now, if you have done that and you try to open the software will open up just fine without Windows Defender blocking it. So if we double click to the software, it will open up the user account control. Just click Yes, and here as you can see my Wi-Fi network is the bottom one right here. And of course I'm gonna blur the key because I do not want anyone to see what's the key right here. But yeah, my router is right here, the bottom one. The first one is my old phone, the second one is my new phone that I bought a month ago. The other two is just my laptop. And yeah, as you can see right here in the key section, this is the key for your Wi-Fi password. And I can confirm that this is true. My password is this one right here, the bottom one, and it's the correct one. It's not a faulty one or a fake one. So yeah, as you can see right here, you need to look in the key section, and there you will find your Wi-Fi password. But make sure you're looking at the correct one and you're looking in the router's name. And yeah, that's everything it. That's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya!